Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting now? Insert the card into a good card reader and connect directly to your PC. First, verify the card type and adapter seating so contacts are solid. Next, make a raw image backup using DD or an imaging tool. This preserves data if later steps fail. Once done, note the device path example, /dev/SDB or disk2. Make sure you run commands as admin. This protects the original media and gives you a fallback. Now perform a cautious scan of the image or device. Use bad blocks for read-only surface checks, or on Windows run chkdsk/r against the image or drive to locate bad sectors. After scanning, attempt file system repair with fscky on Linux or test disk to rebuild partition tables and recover file entries. Always operate on the backup image first so you can repeat or revert. If repairs modify metadata, finish by extracting data. Run photo rec or specialized recovery tools against the image to carve files by signature when file system repair didn't restore access. Once files are recovered, copy them to a separate stable drive and verify integrity using checksums. After confirming recovery, you may attempt a low-level reformat and repartition the original card to reuse it. Troubleshooting tip. If tools hang or read errors persist, try a different reader and run a hardware diagnostic. Persistent I/O errors often indicate physical failure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.